Most cars don't die from accidents. They die from something far more silent. Slow, hidden killers under the hood. The shocking truth? Many car owners unknowingly follow advice that damages their vehicle. Advice printed right inside the owner's manual. Factory maintenance schedules aren't designed to make your car last decades. They're designed to keep you coming back for a new one. Veteran mechanics, the ones who've kept engines alive past 500,000 miles, follow a very different set of rules. They know which small habits prevent catastrophic failures, protect major components, and keep a car running like new for hundreds of thousands of miles. Today, I'll reveal 17 proven habits that can make your car outlive almost anything on the road. And habit number 1, it's the most overlooked trick that could save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Habit number 17, the 5K oil rule. Ignoring the 10,000-mile oil change hype is one of the biggest mistakes car owners make. Oil is the lifeblood of your engine. After around 5,000 miles, it starts breaking down, losing its lubricating properties. Push it further, and microscopic metal shavings and sludge circulate inside the engine, grinding away at critical parts. Mechanics have seen engines ruined simply because owners stretched oil change intervals. Stick to the 5K rule. It's cheap, simple, and massively extends engine life. A clean oil change every 5,000 miles not only prevents damage, but also improves fuel efficiency and reduces long-term wear on pistons, camshafts, and valves. Habit number 16, change transmission fluid early. Lifetime transmission fluid is one of the auto industry's most costly myths. Heat, friction, and contamination degrade fluid slowly but steadily. By 40,000 to 60,000 miles, it can darken, losing its protective qualities. Wait too long and you risk a $3,000 to $7,000 transmission rebuild. Early replacement keeps shifts smooth, prevents component wear, and can extend the life of your transmission beyond the life of the car itself. Smart owners also check the transmission pan and magnet for metal shavings, a tiny habit that catches early signs of internal wear before a disaster strikes. Habit number 15, coolant clock reset. Coolant prevents overheating and internal corrosion. Over time, it turns acidic, attacking water pumps, heater cores, and even the head gasket. Neglect it, and repair costs can soar. Flushing and replacing coolant every 3 to 5 years, or about 30,000 to 50,000 miles, is critical. Resetting the coolant clock keeps the engine cooler, reduces strain on hoses, and prevents leaks in unseen areas. Using the right type of coolant for your engine is also essential. Mixing types can accelerate corrosion instead of preventing it. Habit number 14, timing belt deadline. Timing belts are silent killers. Waiting until the manufacturer's exact mileage recommendation can be risky. Heat, oil leaks, and age can weaken the belt long before that official number. If it snaps, pistons and valves collide, often destroying the engine instantly. Mechanics suggest inspecting the belt every 30,000 miles and replacing it between 60,000 to 90,000 miles. Sooner in harsh climates. Treat your timing belt as a ticking time bomb. Neglect it, and years of engine life vanish in seconds. Habit 13. Use high-quality spark plugs. Cheap or worn spark plugs can misfire, waste fuel, and send unburned fuel into the exhaust, damaging the catalytic converter, one of the most expensive parts to replace. Premium iridium or platinum plugs are ideal for gas engines, while performance or turbo engines should always use manufacturer-approved top-tier plugs. Replace them every 60,000 to 100,000 miles. Fresh spark plugs ensure smoother starts, better combustion, higher fuel efficiency, and a longer life for your engine and exhaust components. Habit number 12. Replace the fuel filter. A clogged fuel filter forces the pump to work harder, starving injectors and starving the engine under load. Over time, this strain can burn out pumps and damage injectors. Dirty filters often contain rust, dirt, and debris you don't want circulating inside your engine. Always use OEM or high-quality filters. Replace every 30,000 to 50,000 miles. This small investment protects your fuel system and prevents costly failures later. A clean fuel filter also ensures smooth acceleration and prevents hesitation during high-demand driving conditions. Habit number 11. Flush brake fluid regularly. Brake fluid absorbs moisture, lowering its boiling point and corroding the brake system. Rusted lines, seized calipers, and damaged ABS units aren't just dangerous, they're expensive. Test fluid annually and flush every 2 to 3 years. Fresh brake fluid keeps brakes responsive and reliable. Mechanics also recommend using high-quality DOT-approved fluid. Regular maintenance ensures safety, preserves braking performance, and avoids sudden, costly failures that can leave you stranded or worse. Habit number 10. Gearbox Guardian Routine. Differentials and transfer cases often fail quietly without warning lights. Gear oil breakdown is the silent culprit. Once it loses viscosity, metal gears and bearings wear rapidly. Change gear oil every 30,000 to 60,000 miles, using the exact type in your manual. Fresh gear oil acts as cheap insurance against catastrophic drivetrain failure. Checking the oil level and condition during regular services can prevent sudden failures on the road and costly repairs later. Habit number 9. Replace PCV valve. A clogged PCV. Positive crankcase ventilation. Valve traps pressure inside the engine, forcing oil past seals and gaskets. This causes leaks, sludge buildup, and blown seals. Repairs that can cost hundreds or thousands. Replacement is simple, usually just a twist or pull. Costing under $20, it prevents some of the most expensive oil-related engine problems. Regular inspection ensures smooth crankcase ventilation, better engine performance, and longer engine life. Habit number 8. Clean the MAF sensor. A dirty mass airflow (MAF) sensor sends wrong data to your engine's computer, causing poor performance, rough idling, and reduced MPG. Dust and oil residue accumulate over time. Cleaning every 12,000 to 15,000 miles with MAF-specific spray keeps your engine breathing properly. Avoid touching delicate wires. A clean sensor maintains fuel efficiency, reduces emissions, and ensures smooth, consistent engine response. Habit number 7. Align your tires. Often, poor alignment wears tires unevenly and stresses suspension components. Steering pull, drifting, or uneven wear are signs. Even without symptoms, check alignment annually or every 12,000 miles. Proper alignment extends tire life, reduces strain on ball joints, tie rods, and bushings, and ensures a smooth, safe ride. Alignment also improves fuel efficiency by minimizing rolling resistance. Habit number 6. Avoid cold revving. Revving a cold engine accelerates wear. Thick, cold oil scrapes metal against metal, damaging bearings, pistons, and cylinder walls. Start the car, idle for 30 seconds, then drive gently. Gradual warm-up distributes oil evenly, adding years to internal components. Cold revving may give a temporary thrill, but it shortens engine life and increases repair costs exponentially over time. Habit number 5. Avoid excessive idling. Long idling starves engine parts of oil pressure, causing carbon buildup, fouled spark plugs, and diluted oil. Waiting more than a minute? Shut off the engine. Drive gently for warm-up or AC. This reduces wear, saves fuel, and protects critical components. Minimizing idling also reduces environmental impact while keeping internal parts cleaner and more efficient. Habit number 4. Wash undercarriage often. Salt, mud, and grime trap moisture, accelerating rust. In snowy or coastal areas, salt can eat brake lines, suspension parts, and frames quickly. Rinse undercarriage monthly in winter and after off-road trips or heavy rain. Regular cleaning protects hidden parts, extends suspension life, prevents brake failures, and keeps corrosion at bay. A neglected undercarriage is an invisible ticking time bomb for expensive repairs. Habit number 3, clean battery terminals. Corroded terminals restrict electrical flow, stressing starters, alternators, and electronics. Clean terminals with baking soda and water or a terminal brush, dry and reconnect. Apply dielectric grease to prevent future corrosion. Clean connections ensure reliable starts, stable electronics, and longer life for the car's electrical system. Regular inspection also helps spot battery issues before they leave you stranded. Habit number 2, listen for unusual sounds. Strange noises or warnings. Squealing belts, possibly a failing tensioner, grinding sounds, worn brakes, faint knocks, early engine trouble. Catching these early often means a cheap fix instead of a catastrophic repair. Train yourself to notice changes, act fast, and avoid repair bills that could have been prevented with simple attention. Habit number 1, track maintenance in a log. Memory fails. A detailed log prevents missed services, costly breakdowns, and boosts resale value. Protect warranties with documented proof. Use a notebook, spreadsheet, or app, whatever keeps you consistent. A maintenance log is your car's medical record, ensuring no critical service is ever forgotten. If these tips help, hit subscribe. The next guide could reveal a step that prevents repairs worth thousands. Following these 17 habits adds years and hundreds of thousands of miles to your car. Oil changes, timing belts, fluid swaps. Each habit protects engines, transmissions, and components. And this is only the beginning. Another set of secret habits can push cars past 750,000 miles. Share in the comments which habit you follow or which surprised you most. Subscribe to stay ahead and keep your car in peak condition.